My name is Wendy Restrepo. Implementation of conveyor belt in the company NISSAN. The proposed innovation proposal was based on a company in the automotive sector, NISSAN. The objective is to implement a conveyor, which helps the distribution of raw material and increase production by eliminating downtime. Because the innovation in the company was the purchase of the conveyor belt, the licensor guaranteed a license for the indefinite use of the machine, establishing that if a machine was created with the same characteristics as the one purchased, with them it must be fine. This machine cannot be marketed because it has not been created by the company. It can only be marketed if a transformation is made to it.